Oh, gosh. Where's Packy?
He's the wrong pack for this kind of trip. This is a comfort level pack. This thing feels like sitting on your sofa. It can easily carry another 10 pounds over what Packy can carry. So this was the right choice for a...
So I'll just give you my food bag.
Now, just to remind everyone that you are looking at Lazy Boy, I'd like to show you the gaiters that I've got.
Oh, gee.
They were available in purple glitter, and of course I thought, well, yes.
Are they really glittery?
Oh yeah, they've really got glitter on them.
Oh, my gosh. Like your size isn't enough to not be able to find you in the woods. You have to sparkle
news,
too.
I still don't know why people think I'm gay.
All right. All right, so Lazy Boy and I are doing the Pictured Rocks Lakeshore Trail. This will be my third time on this trail. And we just parked our cars down at the Munising Falls Visitor Center. If anybody is planning on going there to see the falls, they are closed. A whole section of it washed out. So you can go there and get information from the rangers, but there's not really anything else to see there at the moment. And I don't know when they're going to fix that. I mean, there's a huge chunk of it gone. So we caught the shuttle there. It was $35. I'll put all the information if you want to do this trail. It's 42 miles. We are up here at the Grand Sable Visitor Center, which is right there. And we got shuttled for $35 up here. And we're going to walk back down to Munising Falls Visitor Center. And we got the map behind us so you can see we're legit the Grand Sable NCT trailhead. All right, let's go.
I'd like to point out that Julia has chosen to start filming while we've been hiking in 85-degree weather with high humidity. It's beautiful out.
No, it's hot.
It's a little warm.
All right, so here we are on day one, or I should say day half, on the Pictured Rocks Lakeshore Trail, one of my favorite. We're only supposed to be doing 4.1 to the Massie Homestead campsite, but what are we at?
4.6 right now.
Yeah, so you know how it goes when you're on trail. It's never accurate. So one, we either missed it, which I don't think we did, because we've had this big, tall sand dune on our right. Worst case scenario, we'll figure something out. We'll figure it out, whatever. But yes, it's hot, it's sticky today and tomorrow, and then it's supposed to cool down. But other than that, I mean, there's not a whole lot to say. What do you have? Anything?
I want to go jump in a lake.
Yeah. Tomorrow we'll be jumping in Lake Superior for sure, even if it's for the showering. But yeah, this is a great, this is a great, I don't have much to say because it's really like nothing cool's really happened.
Well, I don't know about that. This forest is beautiful. It's ferns and trees, and it's just absolutely gorgeous. It's just really hot today.
Yeah, it's hot and it's sticky, and like we're just getting little glimpses of wind, so nothing steady. Yeah, so it's a little rough, but 4.1, that's now at like 4.7, and hopefully we will stumble across the camp. But the good news is we have both probably dropped 5 pounds of water weight first day on trail. So there's that too. That's a win, right?
I'm taking it as a win.
All right, we will catch y'all later. Bye. Night one on the Pictured Rocks Lakeshore Trail. I just came to use the privy or pit toilet. It's so nice because I don't remember all the sites having these here when I was here before. This is the Massie Homestead site, and this is your potty. Let me turn you around and just show you what you have to use for the bathroom. So our camp is up there where you can see the sun, and I'll take you up there in just a moment. When you come from camp, you're gonna walk this way, and then this is where your pit toilet is, which is nice to have. So just a toilet. I mean, it goes way down deep in there, so there's nothing close up, but this is the end. Nobody's gonna come over here from the sites, so you'll have privacy as long as somebody knows that you came out this way to use the privy. And we're gonna walk back to camp now. So it's maybe a 1-minute walk from the individual campsites to the privy, and there is a bear box. There's the privy where we just came from. And this is the Massie Homestead site, which is about 5 miles from the Grand Sable Visitor Center.
Even if you've got a headlamp, something like that. Oh boy.